So, super quick video for you guys today. If you watched my last video, right in the middle of filming, this garage door opener bit the dust on me. So, got a nice brand new one up there. But I'm really curious to see what actually happened inside this thing. So, I think we're just gonna quickly pop the top off together and see what's inside there. I'm just curious to know when a garage door opener goes, what actually goes. I don't know what that is, but it doesn't look good. I'll just bring you guys in for a closer look. Painfully obvious what happened. That big gear operated by the worm gear right off the motor. If you can, right there. It is just rounded off and shredded to bits. And there's lots of it left in the case. So, I don't know. I guess if you could find the new gear, you could probably replace that and get a bunch more years out of one of these things, but this one's from 1996. So I think it was time.